thing is that I think Nationwide owes me an apology because they were saying that I have some source, but it turns out that Nationwide is the one that is reported on the report before it's tabled.
Nationwide said you had a source?
Yeah, man. It was said in your newscast, and person said it otherwise, that because I said the report would soon come, that somehow I had information. I had none. I was simply saying, based on the annual report saying they were nearing completion, I was saying that the report would come soon. But it turns out...
And it came the following day.
Yeah, because I was interviewed that day. I wasn't interviewed before. I said it before.
Yes, you said it before,
right.
And it came the following day. And prior to your statement on the cover story, your former GenSec, Julian Robinson, also predicted that the report would come and it would be proving embarrassing to the Holness administration.
Right, and I'm saying that was based on the report from the annual report.
But nothing in the annual report suggested that there would have been an embarrassing revelation.
No, not that part. No, I was talking about the timing issue.
Oh,
I see.
But be that
in relation to the content.
Your reaction to the reporting this afternoon?
Well, I want to wait for the actual report. I find it very curious that for 3 years, there was no leak from the Integrity Commission to any media house. And then as soon as the reports are tabled to 4 members, that we would suddenly get a leak. I find that very curious.
And you're also concerned that it has removed a political talking point from the People's National Party, aren't you?
We're not there yet. No, we're not there yet. Right?
But it would.
We will wait.
Let's assume that the reporting is accurate. It would.
No, I'm not assuming that. The Integrity Commission would not be investigating somebody for 3 years over $384,000.
You say that with certainty.
No, man. I'm saying logically, well-thinking Jamaicans who are listening to my voice must be concerned if an Integrity Commission was investigating somebody for 3 years over $384,000. That is absolute nonsense in my view. And I am waiting for the actual report to be tabled so that we can see what is in the report.
And when it is tabled and it turns out the reporting is accurate, what then?
Well, as I said, I will wait on the report. I do not believe this fabrication that I'm hearing now.
Fabrication?
It's not logical. It's not logical. Right? We have.
Why do you say fabrication?
We have a body in the country that we pay a lot of resources to, and that body reported that they are investigating members. For 3 years, they did not certify the Prime Minister. I am absolutely sure that they could not have been for 3 years investigating $384,000.
Because that would affect your credibility. That would affect your credibility, wouldn't it? Because you've gone down the wicket on this matter.
Your credibility is on the line.
And we're standing by our reporting. Are you going to stand by your comments over the last 2 years?
I am standing by my comments. I am standing by my comments. I'm making it absolutely clear that if for 3 years the Prime Minister of the country was not certified and what was being investigated was $384,000 in some account, then something would be seriously wrong.
Four accounts, they also recruited and employed an international forensic investigator to probe the financial affairs, the entire financial affairs of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. That forensic investigator reported that he had found nothing untoward, and then they went and referred the matter to the Financial Investigations Division. That's all reporting that we're standing by this afternoon.
And
do you know anything other than that?
I am saying no. I don't have any source. You're the one with the sources.
Oh, you don't? I rather doubt that.
You're reporting on sources. I've never said I have sources. You're reporting on sources. My point remains, and I will stand by my point. I am waiting to see the full report that was sent to the Parliament. It was sent to the parliamentarians. I consider it very odd that it was sent to parliamentarians, and before they get an opportunity to view it, that it can be reported by a media house. Nevertheless, I will wait on that report so we can examine it to see what it is that the Integrity Commission was investigating over 3 years. My assumption is that it was not $384,000.
Is any senior member of the People's National Party under probe for illicit enrichment?
our members repeatedly, and all have said that they are not aware that they are under investigation for illicit enrichment.
So no is the answer.
The answer is no. The leader of the party has said that on more than one occasion.
We have to leave it there, Dr. Campbell. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it as always.
Welcome.
Have a good one.
That's a cover story. The headlines are next.
Welcome back. So in this video, Dr. Dayton Campbell, the General Secretary of the ruling PNP government or party, speaks on this findings or reports of the Integrity Commission, which has been sent to Parliament for Parliament to convene and then discuss this matter. Now, he spoke to this radio station and he stated that he does not have access to this report yet. He does not have access to the findings yet. So he cannot make any conclusions or assumptions about this report until the report is made public for each and every one or every Jamaican to hear about. Now, he calls this report frivolous and unnecessary accusations for the Integrity Commission to probe an account containing $384,000. He says that this is a waste of time, 2 to 3 years, just to probe something like this. That is his point of view, but I believe that Jamaicans also expect to hear something out of this report or these findings from the Integrity Commission. So during this section also, the journalists give opportunity for people to call in and share their views, their opinions about what is happening in their area and also on this matter. So several views were shared about this on live radio. What do you think about this integrity report? Do you think that it is quite timely, or this is not the right time for such a report to be put to the general public? And also during this period, Parliament is on recess. They are to return on the 17th of September. So do you think that this time is quite right for the report to be tabled in front of Parliament? Let me know what you think about all these in the comment section below. Share your thoughts and opinions about this integrity report and the government as a whole. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button down here. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell. And I'd like to see you again in my next video.